Talking peer to talking peer to hey, why did Pierre not talk? Hey, what? He didn't hey. I know the battery's on. We're gonna have to hurry up and do this video, Pierre. Why is Tom missing words? He did that last year and he's doing it again.
Why is Tom missing words? He did that last and do this video. Why is Tom missing words? He did that last year. He's doing it again.
Tom, you're gonna have to learn to stop.
Tom, you're gonna have to do this video.
No, he
Tom,
can't
you're
do
gonna
it.
have to learn to stop.
Man, Tom, can you just give us a break?
Tom, can we just hear? He's doing it again.
Yes, there we go, see, we got lucky.
There we go, see, you can learn to stop.
Not so good at spoken so soon.
Not so good. We got lucky.
Oh, you gotta be nuts. I thought he wasn't gonna come. How? He be tricking me on that.
We got lucky.
Nobody loves Tom's tricks.
We got lucky.
No shaking your tail in front of people.
No shaking your spoken so.
Nice, Tom didn't got it now.
Nice tail in front of. Nice, Tom didn't got it.
Oh no, he came that time, never mind.
Oh no, he tail in front of.
What? No.
Oh no, he came that time, never mind.
Tommy did not run his mouth. Hey. Why it still costs a lot of money to buy more stuff? On the other electronics, it costs $1.99, but this is $3.99.
On the other, to buy more stuff.
I guess no, Tom.
He came that night, never mind. Bang.
This'll be the end of this video.
On the other electronics, it costs $1.99, but this is $3.99.
We'll see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.